Hello everyone! In this video, we'll be discussing 14 specific senior travel tips to help make your next trip as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Traveling can be an exciting and rewarding experience, but it can also be challenging, especially for seniors. With a little bit of planning and preparation, however, you can reduce the stress and enjoy your travels to the fullest. So, let's dive in and explore some travel tips.
Tip number 1. Consult with a healthcare professional.
Before you embark on your trip, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure that you're physically and mentally prepared for your travels. They can offer advice on any health concerns you may have and provide you with any necessary vaccinations or medications. It's also important to inform your healthcare provider of your travel plans, as they may recommend additional precautions or medications based on your destination and itinerary. Additionally, make sure you have enough of any prescription medications you're taking to last throughout your trip, and consider packing a small first aid kit with essentials such as bandages, pain relievers, and antihistamines. By taking these steps, you can help ensure a safe and healthy trip. Tip number 2. Manage your medication.
If you're taking medication, it's important to have a plan in place to manage it while you're away. Make sure to bring enough medication to last throughout your trip, as well as any necessary medical equipment, such as a blood glucose monitor, inhaler, or your CPAP machine. It's also a good idea to pack your medication in your carry-on luggage in case your checked luggage gets lost or delayed. Additionally, consider bringing a copy of your prescription and a letter from your doctor explaining your medical condition and the need for your medication. This can be helpful if you encounter any issues with customs or security.
By taking these steps, you can help ensure that you have the medication you need while you're away and avoid any unnecessary stress or complications.
Tip number 3. Plan well in advance.
Planning well in advance can also give you the opportunity to research your destination and create a rough itinerary for your trip. This can help you make the most of your time and ensure that you don't miss out on any must-see attractions or experiences. Additionally, booking your travel arrangements and accommodations early can often result in lower prices and better availability, allowing you to save money and avoid the stress of last-minute planning. If you're traveling during peak season, it's especially important to book early, as popular destinations can fill up quickly. Finally, consider booking a direct flight to minimize the time spent traveling and reduce the risk of delays or missed connections. By taking the time to plan well in advance, you can help ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip, and also have the flexibility to make any necessary changes to your itinerary without any last-minute stress. Tip number 4. Choose the right accommodations. When choosing accommodations, it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences. For example, if you have mobility issues, look for hotels or resorts that offer accessible rooms with features such as grab bars, raised toilet seats, and roll-in showers. If you're traveling with a companion or family member, consider booking a suite or apartment with separate bedrooms and living areas to provide more space and privacy. Additionally, if you have dietary restrictions or prefer to cook your own meals, renting a vacation home or apartment with a kitchen can be a great option.
By taking the time to research and choose the right accommodations, you can ensure a comfortable and enjoyable trip that meets your unique needs and preferences. This can make a huge difference in your overall travel experience, as having a comfortable and convenient place to stay can help you feel more relaxed and refreshed throughout your trip.
So, don't be afraid to ask questions and do your research when it comes to choosing accommodations. And remember that the right choice can make all the difference in your senior travel experience. Tip number 5. Seek senior discounts. Senior discounts are often available for travel-related expenses, such as flights, hotels, and rental cars. Make sure to ask about any senior discounts that may be available to you, as they can help you save money on your trip. Some airlines offer discounts of up to 10% for seniors, while hotels may offer discounted rates or special amenities such as free breakfast. Additionally, rental car companies may offer discounts or upgrades for seniors. Taking advantage of these discounts can help you stretch your travel budget further and make your trip more affordable.
Tip number 6. Get travel insurance.
Travel insurance is a crucial consideration for senior travelers, as it can provide peace of mind and financial protection in case of unexpected events such as trip cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage. It's important to carefully review your policy and ensure that it covers any pre-existing medical conditions or activities you plan to participate in. Additionally, consider purchasing travel insurance that includes emergency medical evacuation coverage, which can be especially important if you're traveling to a remote or unfamiliar location where medical facilities may be limited. By taking the time to research and purchase adequate travel insurance, you can help ensure a safe and worry-free trip, allowing you to fully enjoy your travels without any unnecessary stress or financial burden.
Tip number 7. Secure your valuables. When traveling, it's important to be aware of your surroundings and take steps to protect your valuables. In addition to using a money belt or neck wallet, you may also want to consider using a hotel safe to store your valuables when you're not using them.
It's also a good idea to keep a photocopy of your passport and other important documents in a separate location, in case the originals are lost or stolen. By taking these precautions, you can help ensure that your trip is stress-free and enjoyable. Tip number 8. Pack light and smart. When packing for your trip, it's important to keep in mind that less is often more, especially for seniors. Consider packing only the essentials and leaving behind any items that you can do without. Investing in a good quality, lightweight suitcase with wheels can also make getting around much easier, especially if you'll be doing a lot of walking or navigating through airports. Additionally, packing cubes can be a great way to organize your belongings and make packing and unpacking a breeze. By packing light and smart, you can reduce the stress of travel and enjoy your trip to the fullest. Tip number 9. Pace yourself. Traveling can be physically and mentally demanding, especially for seniors. It's important to listen to your body and take breaks when you need to. Don't feel like you have to see everything in one day. Prioritize the activities that are most important to you and take your time.
Scheduling a day of rest in between activities can also help you recharge your batteries and make the most of your trip. Remember, the goal of travel is to enjoy yourself and create lasting memories, not to exhaust yourself.
Tip number 10. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is important for everyone, but especially for seniors. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout your trip, especially if you're traveling to a warm climate. You may also want to avoid alcohol and caffeine, which can dehydrate you. Tip number 11. Stay active. Staying active while traveling can also be a great way to explore your destination and experience new things. Consider trying out local activities such as dancing, swimming, or even taking a yoga class. Many destinations also offer senior-friendly activities such as guided nature walks or bike tours. By staying active, you can not only improve your physical and mental health, but also create lasting memories of your travels. Tip number 12. Mobility considerations. Mobility considerations are crucial for senior travelers, particularly those with limited mobility. It's important to choose accommodations that are accessible and close to public transportation to make getting around easier. Additionally, bringing any necessary mobility aids, such as a cane or walker, can help you navigate unfamiliar terrain with ease. Don't forget to inform your airline and hotel of any special needs you may have to ensure a comfortable and stress-free trip. Tip number 13. Stay connected. Staying connected with loved ones can also provide a sense of security while traveling. In case of an emergency, having a way to quickly contact family or friends can be invaluable. Additionally, sharing your travel experiences with loved ones can help you feel more connected and engaged with the world around you. So, don't forget to pack your devices and stay connected while on your travels. Tip number 14. Learn some local phrases. Learning some local phrases can not only help you navigate a new place and connect with the locals, but it can also show respect for the local culture and make your travels more enjoyable. By making an effort to communicate in the local language, you may also be able to gain a deeper understanding of the local customs and traditions. So consider taking the time to learn a few basic phrases before your trip, and don't be afraid to practice them while you're there. You may be surprised at how much of a difference it can make in your travel experience. I hope you found these senior travel tips helpful, but also make sure to check out my video, The Ideal Retirement Solution: Live and Invest Overseas. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. Happy travels!